Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shagufta Praveen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful mirror decoration piece at home using simple waste materials like cardboard, mirror pieces, a plastic bottle, foam sheet, and a few other items. This project is not only budget-friendly but also fun and creative. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a DIY wall decoration mirror keychain holder that looks amazing and adds beauty to your home. So, let's get started. Materials you'll need: a square piece of cardboard cut to the size you want, a mirror piece that fits the cardboard, a wooden ring or any circular frame, a plastic bottle cut into rings, foam sheet to cover the bottle rings, wire for hanging keys, glue or hot glue gun, artificial flowers for decoration. Step 1. Preparing the base. First, take your square cardboard piece. This will act as the main base of the decoration piece. Place the mirror in the center of the cardboard and check if it fits properly. Adjust the size of the cardboard if needed. Once you're happy with the fit, apply glue and carefully fix the mirror onto the cardboard base. Make sure the mirror is firmly attached and leave it to dry for a few minutes. Step 2. Adding the wooden ring. Now take a wooden ring or any strong circular frame. Place it around the mirror to give it a nice boundary and elegant look. The ring not only makes the design stronger, but also adds a neat finishing touch. Step 3. Creating rings from a plastic bottle. Next, let's work with the plastic bottle. Cut the bottle into circular rings. These rings will be used as small decorative holders on the sides. But we don't want the plastic to look plain, so take your foam sheet and wrap it neatly around each bottle ring. This gives the rings a soft, colorful, and professional finish. Step 4. Attaching key holder wires. Now, to make this decoration piece more functional, we'll add wires to hang keys. Attach small wire hooks or pieces of sturdy wire to the bottom of the cardboard. These will serve as the key holders. You can bend the wires slightly forward so keys can hang comfortably without slipping. Step 5. Fixing the small rings to the base. Once your foam-covered rings are ready, start attaching them to the cardboard base around the mirror. These little circles give the whole piece a stylish 3D design. Use glue to attach each ring firmly and make sure they are placed evenly. This step requires patience, but it really makes the decoration look unique. Step 6. Adding artificial flowers. Now it's time to beautify the piece with some artificial flowers. Place them strategically on the cardboard, near the mirror, or around the foam rings. Flowers add a soft, decorative touch and make the design look lively. Choose colors that complement your room decor. For example, red and white flowers for contrast or pastel shades for a subtle look. Step 7. Final touches. Check all parts of your craft to make sure everything is glued firmly. Clean the mirror with a soft cloth so it shines. Now your DIY mirror wall decoration with key holder is ready. It's not just decorative, it's also useful since you can hang your keys while enjoying the beauty of the design. Why this DIY project is special? This project is special because we are recycling waste materials like cardboard, plastic bottles, and foam sheets. Instead of throwing them away, we are giving them a new life. It's budget-friendly. You don't need to spend much money. It's creative and customizable. You can choose different flowers, colors, and mirror sizes